friends, this is Lenny Hajin. So welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. Before we start, please don't forget to like my video and comment as it will help this video a lot and pay off my hard work. Please. Thank you. Today, I'm going to share my current foot care routine with you as I often get asked about it by people. That's how my feet look after a long day of work. My feet look tired and dull overall right now. Many people ask me about products and tips for soft and bright feet. Our feet have all the vital points of the entire body, so if we take care of it, then our overall health will be good too. I believe that keeping feet moisturized is very important for us, or else we can end up with dry and cracked skin, which isn't good. So, every night I wash my feet and apply a moisturizer. Now, I usually use those products on my feet that don't work for my face. I believe anything moisturizing would be good for the feet. You don't have to go and buy something special. Even ghee or cooking oil would do. Firstly, I use Bulgari's face emulsion on my feet. I got this in the Emirates Amenity Kit. Massaging feet helps in reducing the pains and aches overall. I make sure not to put too much pressure on the bones while massaging. I massage my feet in circular motions and work my way upwards from the ankle. Massaging helps in blood circulation. The blood pumps upwards and relaxes the entire body, especially our calves that endure our weight and stress along with our feet every day. A good massage can help with any blockages that are contributing to poor blood circulation. Once the blockages clear, our skin looks brighter and healthier. After the face emulsion absorbs, I apply the Bulgari body lotion and massage it using the same techniques. I have very dry skin, and this routine of massaging my feet twice every night before I go to bed has helped me a lot. You can see that as I am massaging, my skin is glowing more and more. That's because of the massage technique that I'm using right now. I don't care how my feet look, to be honest. I believe that as long as our feet are well moisturized, they will look good. So, after massaging my feet, I wear socks. Now, wearing socks is very important because it regulates the body temperature, it prevents any moisture loss to our skin, keeping our feet moisturized the entire night. Isn't it cool, right? Now, I will go to sleep and I will show you how my feet look in the morning. Bye! The next morning, that's how my feet look. My feet are moisturized, bright, and soft. My feet are not as good looking, but they look really good only because I keep the blood circulation flowing and moisturize them regularly. If we don't care for our blood circulation, then our feet start to look dull. And that is only because of the poor blood circulation. Just try this method and you will see the change in your feet and overall health. Taking care of feet isn't that hard, right? So, you have to follow this technique and share your experience with others to help them. Okay? Let's help each other. Do comment below if you try this out so others can be motivated too. Bye!